And there are other things also. If you are talking about the eyes, like if we are thinking about some images, we tend to look towards right corner. Okay. Suppose I'm asking somebody to think about your mom, they will they will look towards screen right.
Yes.
Okay. And I'm asking some think about a purple elephant, something which is we have to create it, right?
Yes.
That time we will be thinking towards screen left, this side, top. Okay.
Mm.
So there are each areas when we are thinking. Suppose I'm asking you to think about the sound of your father. We know that very much familiar. So we tend to look towards this side. We will think like this. And I'm asking you to think about a high pitched volume, high pitched sound, some sound. Then we think tend to look towards this side, sideways, left, screen left, not up, exactly left. So because we are constructing a voice in our mind, right? It's a voice. Voice would be in our straight line. Images would be on top line, left and right. And down, if you are looking down this side, that means like some emotions, it can be touch, it can be smell, something. That would come this side, down right side. And left side should be something that is sorry. There is confusion. It should be emotions and everything should be screen left. Right side should be internal monologue. If you are thinking something, if you are looking inside our mind, so that should be then the character would look down right side.
Characters, right?
So characters, right?
Yeah.
So this is how the policemen when they are questioning something. If you are looking towards this side, that means we are constructing something inside our head. That means we are lying. Okay, this is a body language thing. So if you are lying, that means we would be looking towards left, or our left side. Those areas actually we are constructing something.
Mm.
Okay, so this is the difference between lying and normally if you are normally saying something, we would tend to look this side. So there are a lot of things about eyes. So we have a lot of these kind of classes available in YouTube.